how to actually delete all duplicate contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete all duplicate contacts on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a lot of duplicate contacts on your iPhone, the iOS contact tab itself doesn't have that feature to filter them, so you have to open a third-party application called Groups. Now you can download this Groups application from your app store over here, which is completely free by the way. So once you open the Groups application, what you want to do is you should be able to see all the sorts of interface where you can simply go to all contacts. So first of all, what you need to do from here is just tap the select all option to select all the contacts from your contact menu. Once you select all the contacts, here you can see choose action. When you tap on choose action, you'll find resolve duplicates. So just tap on the resolve duplicates option here, and here you will see a list of duplicate contacts. So you can select those contacts here and then just tap the merge option in this case to merge those duplicate contacts. And this way you will be able to delete all duplicate contacts on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.